Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open the Google form and go straight to responses so you can act immediately. First, make sure you have edit rights. Without them, you cannot change settings. Once done, check whether responses are being collected in a linked Google Sheet. If not, link a sheet now so you can remove timestamps reliably. This step prepares the data destination. It matters because removing timestamps in the sheet is the only consistent method that preserves answers, while eliminating the automatic date/time field. You now switch to the linked Google Sheet and isolate the timestamp column, typically column A. Next, add a new sheet or a new range where you will replicate responses without that first column. This avoids altering the live form-to-sheet mapping. Use a formula like equals array formula, B, Z, or specify the exact columns you need and double-check headers align. If you prefer automation, prepare a short apps script to copy incoming rows omitting the timestamp, which maintains a clean, timestamp-free record for downstream use. You finish by routing users or integrations to the new, timestamp-free sheet so future work uses the clean data. Once done, hide or protect the original responses sheet to prevent accidental edits. And if automation is needed, set up an on-form submit trigger in app script to copy rows without timestamps automatically. If something goes wrong, for example timestamps reappear, make sure the script trigger exists, the script is authorized, and you aren't editing the form's primary response sheet directly. That usually resolves common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.